Hi everyone, this is Sharfuddin, Cluster Head Tirupur from Agio Business. Today we are going to discuss more in detail about the cluster and its offerings. We have got 150 plus brands live with us. 7,500 plus styles are available across men's, women's and kids wear. To start off with, let's discuss with few products from menswear. So the fastest selling category is t-shirts. So we have got solid t-shirts starting at 80 rupees and we have got printed t-shirts starting at 85 rupees. For t-shirts alone, we have got a catalog size of more than 2,400. So more than 2,400 styles are live with us. All these products are 100% cotton and combed. And we have got a Lycra t-shirts. So this is a fashion t-shirt. You could see the print in it and an embroidery over it. Then we have got this content is 95% cotton and 5% spandex. So you can see the stretchability. Apart from t-shirts, I have few samples to show you in innerwear. Innerwear is our second largest selling category. We have got vest. Different brands are available with us. This is a kind of a packing that you get in vest, and all these details will be there on the back side. Say for example what size it is and for what chest measurement it will go for. And the uniqueness of this product vest is that the brands which are listed with us, they use peroxide rather than chlorine. When they use peroxide rather than chlorine, after few washes, the product will not become pale or yellow. So the whiteness will be maintained. This is the quality of the product you can get from Tirupur. And we have fast selling briefs as well. One of the fastest selling categories, we have briefs starting from 33 rupees. This product is a inner elastic one with very good quality, 100% cotton. Then we have trunks. Trunks we have with pocket and without pocket, starting from the price point of 58 rupees. The sample which I have right now with me is with pocket. You can see the trunk. This is with pocket and it is 100% cotton with the outer elastic. And these products are machine dyed so that there is a guarantee of no color bleeding and the product will last longer. Apart from this, I have few other t-shirts also. I'll show you how the packing comes. A pack of 10 t-shirts will come like this. This is an insert card which comes with individual t-shirt, and this pack of 5 and pack of 10 is available. So this comes with the outer box also. When you display it to the customer, it will be very easy for you. You don't need to open that piece completely, because normally what happens in nets, when you open it, again folding it, keeping it back will be a mess. So to avoid that, what we are doing is we are giving this kind of a packing with the insert card. So any customer who wants to see, they can see the product, what kind of a design it is. Let's move on to women's wear. This is a full length legging, chudidar length, 43 to 45 inches. Okay. The sample which I am holding is a 4-way stretch. First, let me tell you what is 2-way and 4-way. 2-way is nothing but 100% cotton product which will not have any spandex, which will not have any lycra content in it. So that will be stretchable only 2-way. If you have a 100% cotton legging, you can stretch only this way. You cannot stretch on the other way. This product is 4-way stretch. So this is 95% cotton and 5% spandex. What will happen? You can stretch horizontally and you can stretch vertically also. This is 4-way stretch. Normally this 4-way stretch leggings comes with a GSM of 180, goes up to 200, depends on the customer requirements. This is an ethnic bottom priced at $299 wholesale price. It's a salwar pant We have sizes going up to XXL. So this is a 100% cotton product. This gives very good quality. This brand and this product is one of the fastest selling products in Kerala. Apart from this, for this Onam, we have 650 styles gone live across men, women and kids. So in men's, you will get dhoti, mundu, shirt. Then in women, Onam sarees, and in kids, mundu, shirt, and in same kids we have for girls pattu pavada. You can browse Tirupur catalog. You will get lot of items available with us exclusively for this Onam. So for this Onam, we have got very good range and very good inventory available with us, which is more than 6 crore worth of inventory is available. Since the proximity of Tirupur to Kerala is very closer, the delivery also will happen very faster. So this time, I would like you to celebrate Onam along with us, along with Ajio Business. Thanks for watching the video. Wish you a very happy Onam.